Let's learn how to drape saree on pants in a different way. Hold the pallu end of the saree and start making pallu pleats. Clip the pallu pleats and place the pallu on the left side of the shoulder. Keep arranging the pallu pleats perfectly until you get your desired length. Arrange it so neatly so that none of the saree below the pallu border peeps out of the pallu pleats. Once you get the length, like below the calf, pin all the pallu pleats with the blouse. Now hold the innermost pleat in the front at the waist and make a broad pleat there and place it on the left of your waist in a way that rest of the fabric falls on your right clockwise. Take a round of the fabric clockwise and bring it onto the left side again from behind, holding the broad pleat at the waist in the other hand. Now tie both the fabric ends on the left side together. See to it that you make a double knot so that it holds rest of the pleats that you are going to make later. Neatly adjust the saree border falling below the waist. Adjust it in a way that it forms a cowl on the right leg. Pin the border to the fabric if required. Now take the pleats of the remaining fabric falling on the left side. Once done, arrange the pleats properly and place the pleats on the left side of your navel in the fabric at your waist. Now arrange all the pleats, above pleats and the below pleats properly. Adjust your saree neatly and your fusion drape is done and you are ready to go. Hope you liked the look. Comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.